Hello. Below I share task 1 corresponding to the urban education. Currently, according to statistics, around 10% of the world's population lie in extreme poverty, which means that it is difficult for them to cover basic needs such as food, health, education, access to water, and sanitation. What I would like to change in the world is a poverty worldwide. I feel that it is a very important issue since the living condition of human beings should be equal and equitable for all. Additionally, there are many people in the world who have too much wealth and do not know what to do with their money. I would like these people to become aware that there are many people who are living in extreme poverty and don't even have enough to eat, who basically try to survive in a world where there is not even a little hope, and where hunger and cold at night is the only thing they have. In theory, I would like to be able to change the inequality of condition of human beings, so we would like in a use word equitable effective, but all I know that with that many more people could smile and love on their face would change.